my god. This is hilarious.
Are you tired? I wasn't sleeping.
You didn't take a nap today? You want to watch a movie?
Mama, that has a hole in it.
This one? Oh, that's got a bad hole in it. That's because you keep chewing them. Let's see. There's one right there. And then let's figure out which movie we're going to watch.
I don't want to watch a movie. I don't want to watch a movie.
You better decide to do something because you're not being very nice. Wally?
Mama, my nose is dripping.
Oh no. You want to watch Polar Express? Christmas movies?
No. You had to get.
Or Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer?
You had to get
Come here.
a tissue for my
No, go grab me a tissue, please.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's hilarious. Just wait. Distracted.
You need to say it glows like a light bulb.
I'm enjoying this.
Look. Okay. Is that bad? Okay.
Hey, Mama.
Christmas movie?
I think I heard Jacob said that he's not coming back tomorrow.
No, he did not.
Just saying. I think he might have a
Better
game.
this way. Shrek. You want to watch Shrek? Is that going to make you